Alright guys, welcome back. Just here with another quick update. Looking at the account now, it has $3,427 in it. What we're looking at in the screen, this is Wealthsimple Trade, the desktop version. It is basically like a beta or an early version. So not every feature is available, but it's quite nice to not be forced to always use the mobile app when you want to buy and sell. You can see here like there's some features aren't fully available yet, but that will be coming soon. I still think Wealthsimple Trade is basically the easiest way to get into buying some stocks. So if you're interested in trying it out, what you can do, there's a link in the description of this video. You can just make a new account. And if you put in $100, I think it's you make your first $100 trade, then we'll both get $10. So that's a nice way to immediately get a 10% return. And then you can go from there with whatever you want. So yeah, just coming in here, you can see I've increased the number of positions. I don't know if it says, yeah, it doesn't say, to 25. I've put in a couple new ones down at the bottom. But I think let's go actually switch to the Google Sheet and we'll take a look there. So here we are with a little bit more information that's easy to work with. We can see that the overall account is up $227. I invested $3,200. It's currently sitting at $3,427. So that's a gain of just over 7% for now. Looking at the estimated annual dividend income to be $165. So this is creeping up every time, which is really nice to see, and that works out to be just over $13 per month. Still, utilities and financials are the biggest sectors, and still have large holdings in TransAlta Renewables, TD, Shaw, a couple others, but starting to bring in quite a few more small holdings here. And yeah, things are looking good. Today is November 10th, and we're already at $4.75 for dividends received in November. I'm hoping by the end of November this will go up. But I don't actually sit around checking the dividend payment dates all the time in anticipation of what's coming. I usually just wait for the notification in Wealthsimple that I've received a dividend, and when that happens, I come and put it in here. But yeah, if we jump into the portfolio, we can see that we're sitting at 25 positions now. A lot of them are up quite high. This account has only been open for, I think, 2 months or just over 2 months, and a lot are well over 5% already. And a lot of these are just in the last few days. There was a big jump in a lot of the positions. I think it was yesterday morning, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of them jumped by around 5%. But I don't plan on selling any of these anytime soon, so it doesn't really affect me for now, as I'm just planning to hold most of these for like the very long term and take that dividend income. But still nice to see. You come in here and everything is red. That's pretty depressing. So lots of green. That's good. When we come down here to see, this is in like chronological order of when I added these positions to my account. So when we come down, these are the most recent ones that I added. I think in the last video I already had SIS, which is Severia. They make like wheelchair lifts and stair lifts and things like that. TFI International, this is like a shipping and logistics and courier company. I actually learned about this company from another YouTube channel called Canadian Investor. So I'll link the video to his analysis because it was really good, and it got me thinking and researching them a little bit more, and I decided I just wanted to buy one share from them and just see how it goes. But definitely check out that video because it's really good. Here, Emera, this is another utility company. Northland Power, Boralex, and Energex, all a bunch of utilities. And here I mostly just bought one share of each. Personally, I just like to ease in with one at a time. Energex was a bit cheaper than the rest, so I decided to buy two. But you can see I bought these today, and maybe I should have waited a little bit. But either way, not too worried about it right now. As again, these are all long-term plays for me. And honestly, how I've been doing it so far is when the price drops, then I usually buy more anyways to try to reduce my average buy price. And it's been working out pretty well. I was doing that a lot with Shaw. Shaw has been down quite a lot. And I think it was just lower than like 6% below my average. And so I was picking up a lot, and it's already starting to climb back up again. But I had bought quite a few shares while it was down, just basically increasing my annual dividends, or my monthly dividends with these guys actually, at a discounted price. But yeah, overall pretty happy with how things are going. Again, really nice to see lots of green here, and what I'll be doing is I'll just be adding in probably another $200 to the account and then buying a couple more stocks, and then I'll be back with an update maybe when I'm buying those or maybe after I buy them as well. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, that's cool. That's all for now, and I will see you in the next video.